How to find working Jarir discount promo codes. Now, in this video, I'm going to share one of the working resources where you can use a discount promo codes while using Jarir. So the very first thing that you want to do before you head out into Jarir Bookstore's official site is just go into this website that's going to be called asaan.com. Now, once you're here, all I have to do is to locate this search box and type in Jarir. Now choose on the very first result. Now as you can see, as of the moment, they only have one specific coupon codes for each month. This is going to be the month of February 2026. If you would like to have this, a flat 20% code, you simply click this option that says show code, copy the code, and then paste it into Jarir Bookstore's official website. And that is how you find working Jarir discount promo codes.